If your outlet cover plate is loose or rattling, it's not just annoying. It can be a safety risk you don't want to ignore. So, here's the lowdown on fixing that loose or rattling outlet cover plate. First off, you gotta turn off the power to the outlet at the breaker, just to be safe, you know? Then grab a screwdriver and check if the screws holding the cover plate are just loose. Often, that's the whole problem right there. If the screws are stripped or missing, swap them out for new ones that fit snugly. Sometimes the cover plate itself is cracked or warped, so replacing it with a fresh one from your local hardware store is an easy fix. If the outlet box inside the wall is loose, you might need to tighten the screws holding it in place or use shims to fill any gaps. Be gentle when tightening so you don't crack the plate or strip the screws. After you're done, turn the power back on and give it a little wiggle test. No rattles means job done. One of the biggest mistakes people make with loose outlet cover plates is ignoring it completely, which can lead to exposed wiring or shocks. Definitely not worth the risk. Another common issue is over-tightening the screws, which can crack the cover plate and make things worse. Just keep it snug, not super tight. Last up, some folks try to fix this without turning off the power, which is risky business. Always cut power first to avoid electric shocks. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with local clients who need quality home repairs and improvements.